Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is April 29, 2024. Since it's almost summer, I picked the words from the wedding. So the title of this video is Wedding Vows Common Words. I picked 5 words from this and I will translate it from English to Tagalog to Visayan. So number 1, promise, pangako, saad. I promise to love you forever. Pangako ko sa'yo, mamahalin kita magpakailanman. Saad ko nimo, mahalon ko ikaw hangtod sa hangtod. Number 2, loyal, tapat, unungan. I will be loyal to you always. Laging tapat ako sa iyo. Unungan ko ikaw sa kanunay. Number 3, hope, pag-asa, paglaom. I hope we will have a good life. Ang pag-asa ko na magkaroon tayo ng magandang buhay. Ang paglaom ko nga naatay nindot nga kinabuhi. Number 4, big, malaki, dako. I want to live in a big house. Gusto ko tumira sa malaki na bahay. Gusto ko mupuyo sa dako nga balay. So number 5, family, pamilya, pamilya. I want to have a happy family. Gusto ko magkaroon ng masayang pamilya. Gusto ko naatay malipayong pamilya. So the bonus words in Spanish, pamilya, is the same. It's not the same spelling, but the same pronunciation, the same family. The same pamilya, familia. In Spanish, familia. So it's the same. We share that word with the Spanish people. Tagalog and Visayan is the same. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below what word do you want me to use next time. This is my number 3 and the next one is gonna be number 4. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will see you in my next video. You take care. Bye.